Cowabunga!
HobbyKidsTV.
Sweet! Mikey, Donnie, did you bring the goods? Oh, we got you covered, Hobby Auntie. Our party wagon is full of surprise toys and eggs. We've got tons of surprise eggs, and we also have another surprise word mashup. Let's start with this one first. We have the letter O. Ooh, what's inside here? Look at that little critter. It's a giant anteater. That's cool. This gives some fun facts about the anteater. I don't want to eat ants. I want these yummy and delicious M&Ms. Ooh, let's see what's in this egg. We have another letter. Y. These huge eggs look awesome. Let's open up the Spider-Man egg first. We can color in Spider-Man on the other side. Woo! We've got 2 eggs. Hulk smash! Ooh, candy! Look, it's in the shape of Hulk's head. Another letter. B. I wonder what this word mashup's gonna be. Shopkins! What's her character? Oh, cute! It looks like little popcorn. H. We've got a Hot Wheels Play-Doh surprise egg. I wonder what's inside here. Woo! Candy! Look at all this candy. What's your favorite candy? Out of this stack here, Hobby Auntie's favorite is Skittles and Laffy Taffy. Yum! Batman! Oh, it's a palace pet. This belongs to the Little Mermaid Ariel. Do you know this palace pet's name? If you do, leave it in the comments. Let's add Ariel's palace pet to our collection. Here we already have Berry. She belongs to Snow White. Excuse me. I love Kinder Eggs. Can I pull it out of the party wagon? Got it. Let's open up this Kinder Egg next. Why, thank you, Elsa. That sounds like a great idea. This Kinder Egg included an awesome orange speed racer. Okay, Hobby Kids, we have one more surprise in Hulk's hands and one more egg surprise. Okay, let's open up Hulk's gloves. Ooh. What's inside of here? Cool! It's the Mega Bloks Despicable Me Dance Party Fiesta! Woohoo! This Mega Bloks kit is, I have to say, probably one of my favorites. It's so cute. The Minion wants to be a waka 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 DJ. This is so cool. The little turntables, they actually spin. These little guys also twist. Here are the 2 speakers and our Minion. He's got his headphones on, and this is kind of funny. His little eye stretches. Eep, eep, eep. He wants to play us hobby kids some music. These were the instructions that came with it, and on the back, there's 2 more that we can collect and make. So we're gonna add this dance party to our collection. Hulk smash! It's our last surprise egg! Let's fire missiles at it from the party wagon. Woo! Woo! Nice shot! Oh, it's our last letter. We've got the letter B. Can you hobby kids unscramble the letters to spell the word? The real word starts with the letter H. Then the letter O. What comes next? B. Do you know what it is yet? Next is another B. And the last letter is Y. What does it spell? Hobby! I'm Hobby Auntie. What's your hobby name? Are you a hobby princess? Are you a hobby turtle? Maybe you're a hobby superhero. Whatever it is, leave your hobby name in the comments. There are awesome videos posted every day, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another fun episode.